Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be baking some chicken. So I've had this chicken marinating overnight. I prepared the tray by starting off by lining it, also putting some olive oil on that lining, and that's what I use to prevent it from sticking to the tray. This makes cleaning up a lot easier. In preparing the chicken, I usually use some Caribbean green seasoning. However, I did not have time on this occasion, so I simply cut up the seasonings really fine. So these seasonings that I use came from the backyard. I usually use big leaf thyme. I also use some parsley. And to this chicken, I also added salt and some pre-paired seasonings from companies like Chief. So I use the fried chicken seasoning, which I'll show you here. And then I add it to the tray. I'm going to put it in a preheated oven, 375 degrees. And this chicken can bake for up to about an hour, depending on how you like it. It's mainly thighs and legs that I have here. And this is what the chicken will look like after you finish. Midway through the baking process, I added some tamarind and tomato sauce as well as onions.